Hello everyone! For today's video, I'll teach you how to find hidden locked chats in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application and select a chat you want to lock. Long press the chat and at the top right corner, click the three dots and select Lock Chat. Tap Continue and enter your passcode. Now, at the top of your chats, you can see the lock chat. We wanted this to be hidden, so tap the lock chat, enter your passcode again. At the top right corner, click the three dots and tap Chat Lock Settings. Enable lock chats and create your secret code. Re-enter your secret code and tap Done. Now, let's go back to our chat. Now, as you can see here, the lock chats is already hidden. To access that, tap the search and type your secret code. Now, you can see here your lock chats. Tap and there you go. You can see your hidden chats here. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.